We are at Target. So what you cooking? Smarty! Let's go walking.
Oh look! This baby has been adopted by you.
Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Look, we're at the cribs.
Ready?
You're so dumb.
Try me. Try me.
You're so dumb. Oh my god, Domo!
Oh my god. I love you, Domo.
I'm posable.
The drowning thing is from Kelsey.
Oh really?
Yeah. Last time I came here, you're like, yeah.
That girl is gay.
Come up here.
You're so dumb.
Welcome to my crib. Oh, clear here.
Go to the plant area.
Area, you know.
You're so dumb.
Party here. This is my area of chairs. No, welcome to my crib over here. Yeah, this is our chill, yo. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is our chill.
Bye. It's closed.
Sorry, we're rearranging stuff here. Okay, come on now.
My mom was supposed to be here.
Okay, now, welcome to.
Oh man, I didn't bring my my phone.
Welcome to. Yeah, so that's it. Get out of my house.
Let's go look for my mom.
Oh snap! That's it for now.
We've been only recording for 2 minutes.
Oh my god.
Hey look, we're having a party. Indians are there.
Oh my god.
Huh? We were looking for you. We're having a party at our crib. See, look, they even brought shopping carts.
They're trying to jack stuff.
No, they're paying.
Okay.
Costs a lot of money. Look, see?
Where they go?
There.
There.
Oh my god.
I still got her name.